minute. Who are you?
It's your boy Jesse. Welcome guys back to another video. We're actually heading to London, and yeah, we'll catch you guys over there, honestly, because we're in the city of Manchester. It's 4 hours to get there, but yeah, we'll catch you guys there. Alright guys, we're currently on the bus, and not gonna lie, we were kind of late, so we missed the first bus, but we got the second bus. So yeah guys, we're heading to London right now. We're at the bus stop, so it's not really packed in here, but anyways, we'll update you throughout the day. What's up guys, we're finally here in London, and guys, it's beautiful. Like I've been walking around just for these little past 5 minutes, and this place is beautiful. I just gotta sink all that stuff in, and yeah, so far so good, and it smells delicious. So yeah, we're gonna head to the Buckingham Palace and a couple of other stuff that's around here. Well, I'm gonna get run over by the door. Let's go. We'll catch you guys when we're at either at the Arsenal Stadium or at Buckingham Palace. Let's go. Ooh, thing I noticed right off the bat is that look at those cars. Those are movie ass cars, bro.
Está bien, pendejo. Bien, pendejo.
Oh god, that movie ass car. Oh, we got the 680 chopper up there. Alright, we're going to the station. I just wanted to let you guys know that goddamn train was so packed. It's worse than the fucking trains in New York. God damn. But that bitch went fast, yo. I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, we're heading to the Arsenal Stadium. Alright guys, we just arrived to the Arsenal Stadium, guys. Look at it. Look at this beauty. Sheesh. We came here for Raulito, to get him some stuff. It's a surprise. I'm live streaming right now, but yeah, he's not. I'm pretty sure he hasn't joined. So yeah, let's go right now. All right, guys. Here we have the final product. Look at this, Raulito. I hope he likes it. I really hope he does. But look at that, guys. Nice and pretty. Look at that. Sheesh. We just made it out the store, and as you guys saw, we got the jersey, and yeah, we're about to head to Buckingham Palace, and right now we're on the news. We're on the news. Look at that. Look at that. I'm putting you on the news. I'm putting you on the news.
I'm putting you on the news.
But anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're about to go right now. Ready? Transition over there. Spiral ass staircase. I've never seen one of these. Goddamn. Oh shit! This is never ending. What the hell? Going to the bottom of the sea. Goddamn. I'm about to fall. I'm about to bust his head. Yo, when you're trying to go out of the damn subway station, look at this. God damn. You know how steep that is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you fall, your ass is doomed. On God, your ass is doomed. We're about to get out of this because I got kind of scared. I'm holding on to this shit. Tight as hell. I want you guys to enjoy the scene. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Sheesh. Alright. We're heading out. We heading that way right now. It's right behind me is the London Bridge, and look at this bridge right now that I'm about to show you guys. And there's a warship right now, so look at it. Sheesh. Looks a lot cooler. Oh, that's max zoom right there, guys. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think? I think the view looks good, but you look better. Okay. All right, chat. Now, anyways, back to Buckingham Palace we go. All right, guys. We got the telephone box right here. I'm gonna go call my hose, yo. Let's go. Damn, that door is heavy as hell. Hello? Ain't nobody pick up, yo. I got no hose.
No mama's way.
Guys, so we just got to Buckingham Palace, and guys, all I can tell you is get away from the green sky. We're gonna enjoy our time right now. We just currently got here, and I'm looking thinner. What the
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
But let me show you guys around. It looks beautiful. Look at this, guys. Just look at that. Oh my god, there's Buckingham Palace over there. Look at that. Sheesh. We're about to go cross. There's hella people. Where the guards at? That's my question. Look at this. Oh, yo, man. If we come over here, step away from the Queen's Guard. Step away. Look up. That motherfucker looking at me. Motherfucker. Ah, there you shoot that bitch. Shoot that bitch. On God, it sounds like they locked the damn door. Let me in, bitch. Let me in. Come on. Alright guys, we're here at Buckingham Palace. We're about to climb the fencing. Majestic. Yeah. Look at them balls, yeah. What do you guys think I was talking about?
Está bien pendejo. Bien pendejo.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, look at the view. Nice. 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 He's kind of shy today. Again, the picture. Yeah, alright, guys, look at this. Woo. Damn. That's nice. Alright, guys, so we just got to Big Ben, as you guys can see in the further back. Yo, this is actually awesome. I just seen it in the pure pictures, but seeing it in person, that motherfucker tall. I get why they call it Little Ben, Big Ben. But where is Little Ben? Honestly. Damn! But yeah, I've been acting out of pocket this video. But we about to go hit something up to eat, and I'll snap a couple pictures up on the screen right now. Alright, you guys saw the pictures that we took. And yeah, guys, let's head on to eat. That's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys did like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.